Hello student. So the learning outcome of this video is first we see layout managers, then we see types of layout in AWT, then we see first type layout, that is flow layout, and then we see the border layout. So these are the learning outcomes of today's video. In last some videos we see the different AWT components like label, button, list, checkbox, scroll bar, etc. Then the next topic in the first chapter is the layout manager. First we see the what is layout manager. Layout means the arrangement of component within container. So simple, the we can arrange the component according to requirement in our container. So the use of layout manager is to arrange component in container. In other way, we can say the placing the component at particular position within the container. A layout manager is an object of class that implement the layout manager interface. So there are various class for layout manager, and we can create the object of class to use the layout manager. Then next point is the layout manager is set by the set layout method. We already use this method in previous some programs. So this method is used to set the layout manager. Set layout method have the following general form. So general forms, first we see the general form of set layout method. Void set layout, in bracket we pass the object of respective layout manager. So return type of this method is void because this method not return any value. Example, if we want to set flow layout, then the statement is, or the code is set layout, in bracket we create the object of flow layout. Or other way we can create, uh, first we create the flow layout object and the object is passed into parameter of the method. So this is about layout manager. Next we see the types of layout in AWT. The java.awt package provide 5 layout manager class which are as follows. First, first type is flow layout, which arrange the component in variable length rows. Second is border layout, which arrange the component along the side of the container and in the middle. Next layout is card layout, which arrange the component in cards. Only one card is visible at a time. Next layout is grid layout, which arrange the component in fixed length rows and columns. And last layout is grid bag layout, which arrange the component horizontally and vertically. Component can be of different size. So these 5 are the layout manager in AWT. We see one by one in brief in next some videos. First type of layout manager is flow layout. So first we see the flow layout. The flow layout is the default layout manager of applet or panel. So this is default layout only for applet and panel. It is not default layout for frame and window. If no layout manager is set by the set layout method, this layout is used to arrange the control in the container. Control means components. In flow layout manager, the components are arranged from upper left corner to right side edge of the container. When there is no space for the component, it is arranged from next line. A little space is added between each component at all of the 4 sides. Next, we see the constructor of flow layout. first constructor is default constructor which not have any parameter. Second constructor is flow layout in which have one parameter, alignment. Third constructor of flow layout which have three parameters. First parameter is alignment, second parameter is horizontal space, and third parameter is vertical space. Alignment can be done by following. So the alignment parameter in second and third constructor, the flow layout dot center is the default for alignment. Next we can use flow layout dot left, and third one we use flow layout dot right. So these three are the alignment constant which may be used in second and third constructor. H space and V space is the horizontal and vertical space between the component which is used in the third constructor, and this space are in the pixel. The default space is 5 pixel from both horizontal and vertical. Next we see some method of flow layout. First method is get alignment. This method not have any parameter. This method return integer value. So return type of this method is integer. This method returns the alignment value for the layout. Possible values are flow layout dot left, flow layout dot right, or flow layout dot center. Then next method is set alignment which have one parameter, that is alignment, and this method not return any value, so return type of this method is void. This method is used to set the alignment for the layout. The parameter alignment, one of the alignment value, same value which are used in the first method, flow layout dot left, flow layout dot right, and flow layout dot center. Next method get h gap. This method also not have any parameter, but this method return the integer value. This method returns horizontal gap between the component and between the component and the border of the container. Next method set h gap. This method have one parameter, integer h gap, and this method not return any value, so return type of this method is void. This method is used to set the horizontal gap between component and the horizontal gap between the component and the border of the container. Next method is get v gap. This method also not have any parameter. This method return integer value, so return type of this method is integer. This method returns or get the vertical gap between the component and the border of the container. Next method is void set v gap. This method have one parameter v gap, and this method not return any value, so the return type of this method is void. This method is set the vertical gap between component and between the component and the border of the container. So these are the different methods of flow layout class. Next we see example of flow layout. Let us see simple example of AWT where we are showing use of flow layout in the frame. So code for the example is, first we import the java.awt package. All layout manager classes also present in java.awt package. So we use java.awt package. Then we define one class myFlowLayout. Inside class we create constructor of the class. Then we create one object of frame class. Frame f is equal to new frame with title flow layout example. F is the object of frame. Then we create one button b1 with title in number 1. Similarly we create another button with number 2. Similarly we create another button with number 3, and then we add all button in frame. Then we see we set the flow layout. So code for set layout is, first we use the method set layout, and inside set layout method we pass the object of flow layout, new flow layout. In bracket we pass the constant flow layout dot right. So all these buttons are display at the right side of the frame. Then we set the size of frame, that is width and height. Then we set the visibility of the frame. Next we define main method, public static void main string argument, and inside main method we create the object of our class, that is my flow layout. mf is equal to new my flow layout. mf is the object of my flow layout class. Output of the program is like display like this. One frame is created with title flow layout example. We create three buttons B1, B2, B3 with title 1, 2, 3 that are display at the right side of the frame because we pass the constant flow layout dot right. So this is simple example of flow layout. If we pass flow layout dot left, these buttons are displayed at the left side. Default value is center. So this is example of flow layout. Next we have some MCQs. First MCQ is, in dash dash layout the components are arranged in fixed length row and columns. So options are flow layout, card layout, border layout and grid layout. The answer of this question is grid layout. In grid layout the components are arranged in fixed length rows and columns. Next MCQ is, which package provide many class regarding layout? Options are java.graphics, second option is java.awt, third option is java.awt.graphics, and last option is java.awt.layout. So answer of this question is java.awt. Next MCQ, state true or false. The flow layout is the default layout manager of applet or panel. So this statement is true. So answer of this question is true. Next we see second type of layout is border layout. Border layout arrange and resizing its component to fit in 5 regions: north, south, east, west and center. Each region may contain more than one component and is identified by corresponding constant. It is the default layout of frame or window. So remember one thing, flow layout is default layout for applet and panel, and border layout is default layout for frame and window. Many times question is asked. When adding a component to container with the border layout, you use one of the 5 constants. The constants are, first constant is border layout dot center, second is border layout dot south, third is border layout dot east, fourth is border layout dot west, and last one is border layout dot north. So these 5 are the constant to set the position of component. Remember one thing, center, south, east, west and north, these are in capital letters. Next we see the constructor of border layout. First constructor is default constructor which not have any parameter, which create border layout but with no gap between the components. Second constructor is border layout which have two parameters, h gap and v gap, that is horizontal gap and vertical gap, which create the border layout with the given horizontal and vertical gap between the component. When adding component, you will use the constant with the following form of add method which is defined by the container. So general form of the add method, add in bracket we pass two parameter, object of component and the object of region. Region means the constant that are border layout dot east, border layout dot west, border layout dot south, border layout dot north, and border layout dot center. Here com object is the component to be added and region specify where the component will be added. Example, f is the object of frame dot add b1 is the object of component and b1 is add into north region. So constant pass border layout dot north. So by this way we can use the add method to add component in border layout. Next we see the example of border layout. Let us see simple example of AWT where we are showing use of border layout in frame. The code for this, first we import the java.awt package, then we create one class border, then we create the constructor of border class. In constructor we create one object of frame with no title, then we create one button b1 with label north, we create another button with label south, then another button with label east, next we create one button with west, and last we create one button with label center. So we create 5 buttons, then we add every button in respective region. So first we add north button into north. So code for this, add b1 is the object of button comma border layout dot north. So for north button we use the constant border dot north. Similarly we defined or we add all buttons in respective regions. b2 in north south region, b3 in east region, b4 in west region, and b5 in center. So these are the various button in various regions. Then we set the size of our frame, then we set the visibility of the frame, and then we define main method public static void main string arguments. Inside method we create one object of border class. So code, this is code for simple example to create frame and use of border layout. The output of this program is display like this. One frame is display with no title and 5 buttons are added in respective regions. So this is simple example to demonstrate the use of border layout. Next we have some MCQs. Dash dash is the default layout of frame or window. Options are border layout, flow layout, card layout, and grid layout. So answer of this question is border layout. Border layout is the default layout of frame or window. Next question is a border layout arranging and resizing its component to fit into dash dash region. Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer of this question is 5. A border layout arranging and resizing its component to fit into 5 regions. Last question is dash dash is not a constant used in the border layout. Options are border layout dot east, border layout dot left, border layout dot south, border layout dot center. So answer of this question is border layout dot left is not a constant used in the border layout. Thank you.